Alright you guys, so today is Mardi Gras. I just had to put that out there to explain my green and gold makeup. And I actually have on a Mardi Gras shirt. The minute I put on this shirt, I got so many memories of the last time I wore this shirt. The shirt was actually featured in one of my videos. It was actually a Mardi Gras haul or something like that, but it's going to be in the cards above. If you just want to see how different I look from last year to this year, y'all leave a comment down below and tell me if I look different. Back to the video at hand. Today's video will be a DIY. I'm also making myself a craft room. So in the craft room, I'm also going to need little storage things. So I made this cute little container out of a nut variety jar that I can put all of my embroidery threads in. And I'm going to go to Walmart and get some more, but this is what I have in here. You know, little embroidery threads. It was really so easy to make. It's nothing but a peanut container. I washed it out. I painted over the planter's nut thing. I added my brand's name on here. It's Boss Bless Beautiful. These are address tabs, 3 address tabs, and I wrote Boss Bless Beautiful on it. Then I just proceeded to paint dots around it, painted a line and some more dots just because I wanted to, you know, decorate it some more. I will be doing a video of me organizing my craft room and everything, decluttering it there. So that is going to go in my craft room. So please stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave some video suggestions down below. If any of my subscribers are boys, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. I really want to know what they want to watch. You know, I'm done. Why do I want to call everything rose water? It says good girls go to heaven, bad girls go to Mardi Gras. Yeah, I wore this to school and like a lot of people's whatever. Gaming channel coming soon.